Yes, good evening and welcome to my recording session. Can you see this presentation screen now? Yes. Am I audible now? And can you see the screen? Okay. So this is the presentation for ICT based tools for formative assessment. Now, when I say formative assessment, this is the kind of assessment which is basically happening during the course. As the course goes on, the formative assessment can be conducted to get a real-time feedback. Some of the methods for formative assessment they are as follows. You have concept maps, mind maps, polls everywhere. Then you have Testmos, Plickers, Kahoot, Socrative, Padlet, and use of Google Drive and associated tools. Let us see about Plickers. So Plickers is a free assessment tool which is based on the concept of having students use their clickers to respond. So what we do is we pose a question and we pose it on the screen. It's a big screen. You can use a projector. And once this question is posed to the class, they will show the response by showing the cards. The cards are having like, they are somewhat like a QR code. And they have scanned this cards like one card for A. Now suppose your this question has four choice A, B, C, D. So the students will just show their choice by just showing you the card, and you will scan those cards by use of mobile phone. So that is one way in which you can record the response and you will get a real-time feedback. Next is Kahoot. Kahoot is also a tool for using technology to use some quizzes and discussions or surveys. It is a game-based classroom response system played by the whole class. So this is something very enjoyable. It is like a game, time-based game, and these are like short buzzer rounds. So you can make a quiz, you can set time for it, and you can send the code for it. So once you have created the Kahoot quiz and you have taken the pin, so you just have to share the pin with the students. The students can log in by using the pin, and then they will be able to see it and check it. So multiple choice questions are basically projected and you can get the response. Socrative is a cloud-based student response system which is developed in 2010. And using Socrative, the teacher and the instructor can create simple quizzes, and that could be taken on laptop or more often via classroom tablet. Padlet is a very useful online virtual bulletin board, notice board, where it is serving as a online this platform where you can share the ideas, the concepts with the learners, with the students, and they get a feedback and they can share their views also. So it's like a hidden wall with a custom URL, and it is serving as an online bulletin board and notice board. Then a brief content on some of the different formats for assessment. Animation can be used for like stop motion or a click motion objective like stimulation. The basic creation of like simulation. So you can use stop motion animation, moving animation, and that can be used for the purpose of e-content creation. Blogs can be created, podcast and all can be created like a series of episodes. Close is like a fill in the keywords. Discussion is an asynchronous discussion forum. Free text could be used for short or extended text responses. Hotspot, you can use mouse to click on relevant spot on the screen. Matrix is one by which more responses from the list or table can be taken up. And MCQ is one option from list which can be true or false. Ordering is to arrange the options according to a second order. And Wiki is an online group project that produces the common product. And Google Drive, we know it's a very user-friendly, simple mail-based, Gmail-based apps. We have so many Google apps. And we have so many Google-based different tools like Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Drawings. Even these can be used and shared with the students to create concept map and mind map. For like to take a simple case of Google Drawing. By the use of Google Drawing, they can create concept map and mind map. So thank you all for listening to my live session. Believe we all are teachers and we are lifelong learners. We need to constantly update ourselves and keep on updating. So with this, I would like to come to an end to my session on this particular module. So thank you so much.